Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, and this is a video for lesson 42. So let's get started with proportions. We have 1 over x is equal to 6 over 60. So let's take a look at the numerators. To get from 1 to 6, we multiplied 1 by 6. So in order in order for x to become 60, we must have multiplied x by 6. So in order to find this x, we're going to divide both sides by 6. And 60 divided by 6 is 10. So for 1 over 10 is equal to 6 over 60. Let's take a look at 2. 18 over 6 is equal to 108 over 150. So to go from 18 to 108, we multiplied 18 by 6. So we should do the same with the denominators. We should multiply 6 by x in order to get 150. So we're going to divide both sides by 6 once again. And when we do that, we'll get x is equal to 25. So that means 18 over 25 is equal to 108 over 150. Let's get 3. 5 over 12 is equal to x over 96. This time we should look at the denominators. So to go from 12 to 96, we multiply 12 by 8. So that means we should multiply 5 by 8 as well in order to get x. 5 times 8 is equal to x, and 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So our answer is 5 over 12 is equal to 40 over 96. Let's get 2. 3 is a thousandths place, so we're going to multiply 3 by 1,000. Plus 8 is a hundredths place, so we're going to multiply by 100. 2 is a tenths place, multiply by 10. And 3 is the ones place, so multiply by 1. Let's get 5. 3 is a 10,000ths place, so multiply by 10,000. 6 is a thousandths place. 6 is the hundredths place. 9 is a tenth place. And 8 is a one place. Now we're going to do order of operations. Number 1. So we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 10 plus 14 plus 32 plus 32. That is 88. So it'll be 88 minus 38, which is 50. Number 2. So we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 8 plus 29, that is 37. So it becomes 4 times 37 plus 35 times 10. Now before we add, we're going to do multiplication. So 4 times 37 is 148 plus 35 times 10, 350. So our answer is 498. 4. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 13 minus 4, that is 9. So if you 1 times 3 plus 9 times 7. Now we have to do the multiplication before we add. 1 times 3 is 3, and 9 times 7 is 63. So the answer would be 66. Let's look at 6. As always, do what's inside first. 32 minus 18, that is 14. So it'd be 11 plus 35 minus 14 divided by 2. Before we add and subtract, we have to do the division. So it'd be 11 plus 35 minus 7. Now we can add and subtract. 11 plus 35, that is 46. And 46 minus 7 is 39. Now we're going to convert measurements. So it says 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards, which is equal to 5,280 feet. These are all equal to each other. So let's get one. If you look above, it says 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So 5,280 feet is 1 mile. 2. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So in order to convert 92 miles into yards, we're going to have to multiply this number by 92. So 92 miles is equal to 161,920 yards. Now let's try 10. So it says 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So to get 32 miles, to go from 32 miles to feet, we're going to have to multiply this number by 32. So 5,280 times 32. 0 times 2 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1, that is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 times 3 is 0. 8 times 3, 24. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 5 times 3 is 15. We add them up. 0, 6, 9, 8, 6, 1. So 32 miles is equal to 168,960 feet. And that is it. Thanks for watching.